Hey everybody, it's Masani. Actually, I wanted to share with everybody the guitar. I got a couple of requests from friends that used to jam with me in the States asking if I'm still playing guitar. Honestly, I haven't played the guitar in a while. I've been really focusing on my art as far as the jewelry goes, and I've been in the wood studio doing some wood. So I actually got back into jamming on the guitar. So I'm actually setting my guitar up to play a song. So since I haven't played in a while, kind of bear with me. And also, before I even play the guitar, I just want to let everybody know in Belize, I want to thank you for being very supportive with Gayla's art gallery. I had a show recently on Friday that was amazing. It was packed. There was a couple of other artists that I shared the platform with that I don't even know how to describe these cats. These artists, they're amazing. I mean, I have never really shared the room or platform with people that I highly respect and love their art. There was not one artist there that I can actually say, mm, not feeling it. So like I said, the art gallery is Galen's Art Gallery in Belize, and it's a really amazing. And she's an amazing artist, and her son is amazing. And I just made a really two good people. I can't at 52. I don't know if I should use the friends like me. We're getting to know each other. Put it that way. Gayla, the one that owns the art exhibit, I wholeheartedly respect her. And then there's another amazing artist. Her name is Yao Ling Lee, and her stuff is really really beautiful. I mean, and she's been very supportive of my art as far as my jewelry. She's bought a couple of pieces of my work. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to hit the guitar, and for those of you who know the song, you can just tap and name the song as I'm playing. So I'm actually gonna get ready. I haven't played in a while, a little rusty, but I'm excited at the same time because it's not the last time I'm gonna really jam with the guitar. So I'm about to start it. I've strung it, got the capo on. So here we go. All right. So if anybody knows the name of that song, you could actually. Um, I'm surprised that nobody put it down yet. We give a couple of minutes. Somebody, more, you gotta know the song. It's really, really popular. All right, so nobody named it. It's called You're Beautiful. So I'm gonna strum just the beginning so you can get a hear of it. It's not really high. It's pretty low. So again, this is how it goes. Like the E, start off with the G. Okay, one more time. You should hear it by now since I mentioned it. It's called You're Beautiful. All right, so that's You're Beautiful. It's one of my favorite songs on a rainy day in Belize. Yes, we're in rainy season now in Belize, so I'm going to spend a lot of time on the guitar until dry season. Also in my studio. The next song is definitely something that I enjoyed when I was in high school. I was like, and now I'm gonna put the kick on second fret, second fret. Now, I'm a big fan of guitars. A big fan of guitars. I started playing the guitar years ago, on and off. Pretty much self-taught. Took some jamming, with some friends, and picked up some stuff here and there, but not really, big professional. So here's my next song. Now you guys gotta know this song. If anybody, you gotta know this song. All right, hold up. All right, somebody's gotta know that song. Gotta know that song. Can anybody name that tune? Wow, man. Okay. It's called Hotel California by the Eagles. The Eagles, Hotel California. I'm not going to stay on too long. I just want to get a little tidbit of me coming back to playing the guitar. Also, with that being said, I am in Belize, and there is a jam session at Atmosphere in Belize in San Ignacio on Saturday. So if anybody plays a musical instrument or somebody like jams, I really want to get down with some artists. So this is for you, anybody in Belize. I'll be there Saturday. So if you're going to be there Saturday, I'll definitely be in Atmosphere. I'll bring my guitar. And if you play a musical instrument or the cowbell or anything, please bring it because music is important. I'm an artist. I mean, I crochet, I make the hat, I make jewelry. Um, I'm somebody that really spend a lot of time expressing my essence through tangible things as far as external, like fabric. I make quilts, I weave. I I'm trying to get into the singing thing, so bear with me. Some of you are asking me how come I'm not singing as I'm playing the guitar. I'm a little shy on the singing tip, so um, give me a month. Give me a month. So in a month, I'll definitely be jamming. Um, and also, I'm folky. I'm folky, and I like reggae. I'm not. It's not about what I'm not. I like all kind of music, but I grew up with Bob Dylan, Janis Joplin, and artists like that, folky Jimi Hendrix, and you know, Doobie Brothers. I gotta throw some ABBA in there. So I grew up with a lot of like in the '60s because I'm 52. Um, in the '70s. So yeah, Christopher Cross, like things like that. That I grew up with and listening to, even the Rolling Stones, fan of the Beatles. Um, and I do like some soul. I gotta put my people, in there. I do like some soul, but I actually just grew up around. I actually grew up in a mixed community, but a lot of hippies and a lot of people who were just like free love. So that explains a lot about me as far as my energy and also me being a vegetarian and just being in love with this nature. That's why I actually moved to Belize because I wanted more of being connected with the earth. I did enjoy living in Brooklyn. It's just that I'm a nature girl. I actually like getting my hands dirty in the dirt, growing food. I do grow food. We have a series of things me and my sister in the garden. The next one of my, I guess I'll not today. It's raining. One of my tapings, I'll introduce you guys to the garden. But I do grow okra and kale, lacinato kale. I mean, I do miss the food co-op in Brooklyn. Shout out to Brooklyn with the food co-op. I do miss that. And mango season is coming up here, so we're going to be doing a lot of mangoes. So I just wanted to answer a lot of people email me and was like, I don't see you playing guitar anymore. You are correct. I have not been playing the guitar. I've been so busy in the studio doing jewelry and shipping out orders. I actually overlooked my musical ability that I got a little rusty, but I'm hitting it hard. You know, today I spent an hour in the studio playing the guitar. So, you know, as far as that. And also, with that being said, I do, if any left-handed guitarists out there, I'm a left-handed guitar player. Jimi Hendrix is a left-handed guitar player. And I actually found it challenging when I did start the guitar because everything is for righty. So I'm lefty. And so I had to, when I did jam with friends and they were showing me like the G notes and stuff like that, I had to see it in my mind differently because I had to reverse it to the left side instead of the right side. It was challenging in the beginning, but then after playing and being around other people who are right-handed, I just got used to being the lefty, you know. So not a bad thing. It says that even with my guitar, if anybody knows the guitar, the strings are opposite too because the low E should be down here, but it's up here. So the guitar string restrung differently for me because I'm a lefty. I'm not ambidextrous. I tried to play on the right side. I even write with my left hand, so I'm definitely a lefty. But I just wanted to touch bases with anybody who is coming to belief and is a musician or is coming to belief to as an artist. I love being around artists, and I'm actually making this to introduce myself to Facebook and people who are artists and people who have a desire to do something and that they've always wanted to do, but they've been held back because they're so stuck on paying bills. And I totally get it. You know, it's real. Economics is real. But at the same token, there is people who have reached out to me that have a desire to take jewelry classes or a desire to do beadwork and also the desire to weave. I do teach classes. If anybody's coming to Belize and wanted to learn or whatever, but I do assist people, even especially online. I'm actually working on having an online classes where people could just basically just go online and take my classes. So, with that being said, I'm signing off, but I just want to thank everybody for touching bases with me. And I want to thank everybody that's showing love to me on Facebook and YouTube and all those who have supported my work. One more thing I got to say. I do have a book out you can get download online. And it's basically called Healing Hands, The Art of Healing Through Art. Art is something that is near and dear to me, like I said, but I actually have a book out and it actually helps for those people who are interested in quilting and um, these are one of my quilts. It's in the States, but this is one of my quilts that I did. So it's a couple of quilts and it teach you how to crochet, like the crocheting tips, you know, how to get the needle set, you know, basic crocheting and, you know, like this hat. I actually made this hat. I crocheted the hat. I did the jewelry. So basic crocheting tips and the bags, stuff that I did as far as crocheting. And some exercise tips in the back. A lot of times people don't move when they're doing art. They sit for hours. So definitely the book is on sale. You can download it. Just go to my Facebook page. I'll leave the um, address, the website address of my book on Gumroad. So anybody who's interested in supporting the arts and supporting Masani art, if you can't get the jewelry, you know, you're interested in just supporting an artist who's really a sister or a woman who's out here, you know, doing it without any grants or anything like that. So definitely feel free to support the arts. But otherwise than that, I'm out. Thanks a lot. My first real, you know, intro with you guys with the music, but it won't be my last. So, mwah, love for you. Have a good day, everybody.